So I had this idea when I was at work yesterday to make this video and talk about how I find the things that I need. And the example that I had in my head was whenever I go to a metaphysical store, I stop right before I go into the store and tell myself that I want to be guided to exactly what I need. I want the things that I need right now to catch my eye or glow. And I intuitively make the decisions to get those items. So when I did that at this one time, at this one store, I was drawn to 5 books. I'm going to try to name them all, but one was Meet Your Soul, and it was a book that got me into doing soul searching exercises, trying to figure out questions about my soul and what my soul's here to do. I remember it came up as healer, and all these other things. Talked about past lives in there, and there's an exercise for past lives, meditations, exercises. So one was a librarian, one was like an alchemist. Very I say solo adventures, and even now that feels kind of correct for me, is I always feel like I'm embarking on things very solely, even though it's not, because there are unseen forces. But then I got maybe a candle, maybe some incense, but the books were the most transformative for me. I've always loved to do books and homework with learning things. So I would say, if right now you feel lost and unsure of what to do or where to go, especially if it comes to spiritual matters or life purpose or some type of healing other than Neosporin on a band-aid on a scraped knee, walk into a metaphysical store or spiritual store, or even the spiritual section of a bookstore, and find those books. See which ones call out to you. I find that is much better than searching on Amazon, because it takes me forever. There's too many options, too many choices, and I usually have to use divination to find what I need, because I could see this one working for me, I can see this one working for me, and it's just too much for me. So to narrow it down, I like to do that. I went into a bookstore when I was back home in October to see my mom and my sister, and was brought to this amazing section near Edmonds. It's a half-price bookstore, and I bought like 10 books in there. There was just so many books that was calling out to me. So yeah, so always do that. Or if you're on a walk or you're anywhere and you're just searching for something and you're seeking answers, just always make that intention that you want something to call out to you, and then trust it when it happens. Trust that that's meant for you because you made that intention. So that's really hard to do, you know, I know for sure, to trust your intuition, to trust what you're feeling, what you're seeing, what you're knowing. But if you're any kind of intuitive person or sensitive person, you know it is for you. So just remember that. All right, good luck.